Righto, tellyo there champs, and here it is. And have a look at this thing Lenovo sent out. Whoa. As soon as I opened the box, I was like, wow, this is amazing. This is right up my alley. It's a white laptop. So you've won me over already, and we know this is the Lenovo Legion 7, and this is the Intel version. We already know from previous models how good these things are, but is this one any good? Well, I'd like to tell you it is. It has everything you want in a gaming laptop, and it does everything you want from a gaming laptop. First of all, it's a 16-inch laptop. You can actually get up to an RTX 4080. The one I have here has the Intel 14900HX part, so that is the one you want if you want a game. This one has an RTX 4070. You can get like a 4080 as well. It has 32 gigs RAM, and it has this like 3K display. 165 Hz. It is matte. I don't like matte displays, but this is a good display. It does cut down on reflections, I'll give it that. But I do like glossy because I get more pop. And you know, getting up to 500 nits brightness, excellent for gaming, super connected feeling. You can actually get a 1600p IPS 240Hz model as well. This has a 99 watt hour battery, and the good thing about this thing is when you don't have it in full performance gaming mode, the graphics card just cuts off. It's not even available in Device Manager. So it has a proper MUX switch, which gives me battery life, can you believe it, for a gaming laptop? 6 hours. I was getting over 6 hours. Now that's with the refresh rate of the screen down, and of course in integrated graphics mode. Of course, once you enable the graphics card, you know, battery life is going to go down. An awesome keyboard. Have a look at the keyboard. Lenovo do, like, we know how good their keyboards are. The RGB on white keys is amazing. It looks good. Trackpad's good. Sounds decent. The I/O, it's got all the I/O you want, including full-size SD card slot, Thunderbolt, etc. Although I do like some of the Pro models, the Lenovo 7i Pro, Legion Pro, and some of the older models where it had all the I/O at the back. This one has it at the side, so you can't get that clean, you know, setup you used to get with the older ones. And yes, for gaming, you're getting up to that 150 watt sustained CPU and GPU. I've got a 240 watt power supply. If you get it like a 4080, you're going to get like a 300 watt power supply, over 300 watt power supply. It is an amazing piece of kit. Not too loud, even in performance mode, just over 50 decibels. And of course, you don't have to have it like that. You can have it on a silent mode or a quiet mode. It's up to you. So this thing looks good. It's built well. Of course, you can upgrade the RAM, etc., SSD, and it does everything you would expect of a gaming laptop. So I don't have any complaints other than I want a glossy display, and I do like the I/O at the back. But performance wise, getting that 150 watts, not being too loud. Battery life is decent when you're using just the integrated graphics. Good keyboard, good trackpad, good screen. Like, wow. It's a good look. This is no surprise. We already know these Legion 7s and 5s and, you know, Pros or whatever. We all know that they're pretty good. They're pretty much up there. So yeah, there's no surprises here. And this is a good laptop, a good gaming laptop. And in white, it looks amazing. I like it. And I promise you, for gaming, you're going to love it too. So catch you in the next one. Tally ho.